The module that I am showing is CAR MP3 decoder board Bluetooth module. It is also called CAR MP3 MA Amplifier 5V USB FMT radio with remote control module. The module can be used at instant 5 volts, or it can be used with a 5-volt charger. However, it can be used in portable systems by charging a 3.7-volt battery. It also comes with a small remote control powered by a 3-volt thin battery. A slim plastic kit with the remote control sits over the battery, which has to be pulled out when in use. The module comes with a male connecting pair cable for battery connector, or 5-volt input, and a 4-line male connecting cable for stereo audio output and FM antenna. I took a 3.7-volt lithium-ion battery for use in a portable system. Both rectangular and round lithium-ion batteries are used in different applications. I took 2 types of batteries to show you, but works by converting lead-acid battery to 5-volt. 2 speakers should be connected to the module, which provides stereo sound. In this case, you can also use a speaker which will provide mono sound. I installed the male cable for the 5-volt supply. Red wire will be positive and white wire will be negative input. A slight mistake can damage the module. Now I installed the speaker male cable for audio output or speaker connection. Its red wire is the FM antenna, and the middle wire of the other 3 wires is the common ground, and the other 2 are the speaker positive connections. I am connecting the speakers as described. Now I am properly connecting the lithium-ion battery to the 3.7-volt to 5-volt supply wire. All connections to the module are complete. Now doing sound check. I noticed that the sound is very low. Louder sound can be obtained by increasing the volume with the built-in button or remote with the module. I changed the battery just to show you. After completing all the processes, I connect the module I made with the Bluetooth function of the mobile. I am checking the music of a video from YouTube, but I didn't get enough sound even with the volume at maximum level. Now I am connecting 2 other high-quality speakers, but still did not get enough sound. In fact, loud music is not available using this module. A sound amplifier must therefore be used separately. The Bluetooth module here connects to the music providing device, and after connection, a separate sound amplifier is used to convert the received sound into loud sound. In that case, the speakers have to be determined in accordance with the different sound amplifiers. Today I will demonstrate using PAM8403 Super Mini Digital Amplifier Board. This is a 5-volt 2-channel stereo, 3-watt plus 3-watt, Class D audio amplifier module. Notice carefully the still image given in the video. The audio output from the Bluetooth module will be connected to the audio input pole of the audio amplifier, and the power source should be properly connected to the audio amplifier and Bluetooth module. However, many audio amplifiers use more than 5 volts, in which case the audio amplifier must have a higher voltage power supply. But the Bluetooth module must not be supplied with more than 5 volts power supply. All the connections of the modules are done. Now I am connecting the speakers to the audio output of the audio amplifier. Now my sound system is ready.
Power off. Bluetooth mode paired.
As everything is fine, now the sound is loud. people commented on my previous video how to charge the battery, so I will now show you how to set up a conventional module to charge a lithium-ion 3.7 volt battery. Notice carefully the still image given in the video. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, you must comment. I cut the battery load output wire and divided it into 2 parts. Power supply is provided to all the modules by turning the 2 parts on and off using a one-way switch. How is the video and how to make it better? You can write your opinion in the comment section. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press like button and share to your friends. Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and press the bell button to get the next video.